Hello and welcome back to another gameplay classic video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the FIFA mobile game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store from your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the search box. And now you can type in FIFA mobile and start your search. Now, from the search results, just tap on the FIFA mobile or the EA Sports FC game. And you will see the install button if you haven't installed it already. Just tap on this button and it will begin the download and installation of the EA Sports FC or the FIFA mobile game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the play button, which you can tap on in order to open up the game. And once the game is opened up, you can start your game immediately or log into your existing account to continue playing from where you left off before. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the FIFA mobile game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.